In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix audio problems in Windows 11. Audio issues can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. Whether you're trying to enjoy some music, hop on a video call, or watch a movie, having problems with your sound can quickly put a damper on your plans. But don't worry, by the end of this guide, you'll be able to troubleshoot and resolve these issues on your own. Let's start with a simple step. First, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open up the Run dialog box. Here you need to type services.msc and hit enter. This command opens the services window, which is essentially a behind-the-scenes command center for various functions on your Windows computer. Once the services window is open, look for a service called Windows Audio. Scroll down if necessary and double-check the names to ensure you have the right one. When you find it, right-click on Windows Audio and select Restart from the context menu. Restarting can refresh the service and resolve any minor issues that might be causing your audio to misbehave. But don't stop there. For this fix, you'll also need to restart another service. Look for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder in the same list. Repeat the process by right-clicking and selecting Restart. These services work closely together, so restarting both can sometimes be essential in restoring proper audio functionality. If your audio problem still persists, it's time to check the Device Manager for any underlying driver issues. Begin by pressing the Windows key and the X key together. This shortcut will bring up a quick access menu from which you should select Device Manager. The Device Manager is a powerful tool that provides oversight of all your computer's hardware, including audio components. In the Device Manager window, find the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers category and click the arrow next to it. This will expand the list, revealing all the audio devices installed on your computer. Now right-click on your primary audio device, which might be labeled something like Realtek High Definition Audio or Connexent Smart Audio. From the menu, choose Update Driver. This option will allow your system to search for the most recent updates and install them, potentially fixing any driver-related issues. If updating doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to uninstall the device. Yes, this might sound drastic, but don't worry. Right-click your audio device again and select Uninstall Device. After it's uninstalled, a system restart is necessary. Restart your PC and Windows will automatically detect the removed audio device and reinstall the necessary drivers during the boot up process. With these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving audio problems on your Windows 11 device. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to getting your sound back in action. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you troubleshoot and resolve your audio issues. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.